Hi everyone.
I'm Maz.
I'm Liz.
And welcome to week 14 of Babies and Books. So hopefully by now you've seen some of our videos, but Babies and Books is all about spending some special quality time with your babies, maybe doing something a bit new, a bit different that you haven't done before, and really importantly, sharing our love of books with your little ones as well. So the book that we're doing today, I did half of it last week, so we're going to read the rest of it this week. And it's Baby Play by Sky Silver, and it's a book trust book. But before we read our book, we always start with some singing, and we're going to start with our name song. Are we ready?
Yeah.
Hello, Mabley. Hello, Mabley. Hello, Mabley. It's nice to have you here. Hello, Bobby. Hello, Bobby. Hello, Bobby. It's nice to have you here. Hello, Nola. Hello, Nola. Hello, Nola. It's nice to have you here. And if anybody would like a shout out, don't forget to pop your name in the comments down below and we can give you a little wave and a hello and a little shout out.
Yeah.
Absolutely. So the next song we're going to do is If You're Happy and You Know It. So have we got our clapping hands ready? Our stomping feet, and we nod our head and we say we are as well. So if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, stomp your feet. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. If you're happy and you know it, nod your head. If you're happy and you know it, nod your head. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, nod your head. If you're happy and you know it, say we are, we are. If you're happy and you know it, say we are, we are. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, say we are, we are. Teddy's happy, fantastic. So next we're going to wind our bobbin up.
Yes, we are.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Wind the bobbin up, wind the bobbin up, pull, pull, clap, clap, clap. Wind it back again, wind it back again, pull, pull, clap, clap, clap. Point to the ceiling, point to the floor, point to the window, point to the door. Clap your hands together, 1, 2, 3, and put your hands upon your knee. Yay! Okay, are we ready to have a little read? Okay. Hold it there, then you might be able to see it. There we go.
Here we go.
Fantastic. Are you
Right.
Yeah, ready, Liz?
High and low, fast and slow. We love to swing together.
So we thought for this page you might like to have your baby on your knee, or if your baby is on the floor, and we could do just some gentle maybe swaying motion if they're sat on your knee, and rocking forwards and backwards. That can be quite calming for you both.
And if you're making eye contact with your baby right in front of you, that also helps the bonding process and your facial expressions. So high and low,
as well.
fast and slow. We love to swing together. Give baby a cuddle.
And a little hug kiss. Okay. Ooh, the next page.
Ready?
Yeah.
Sprinkle, spray, water, play. We love to splash together.
So maybe if you've got your baby in the bath, you can have a little splash in the bath with them. It's a great way to get water confidence and just have a little splash. Or if you've got a plastic tray, you could maybe sit them in that. Maybe get some kitchen utensils if you haven't got any bath toys and just have a little play. Obviously don't splash them loads, but just maybe a little gentle splash on them, just so they can get used to the water and to the feel of the water.
And also if you've got any utensils, they can experience the pouring of the water and using their fine motor skills.
Absolutely. Okay.
Run and stop. Touch and pop. We love to laugh together.
So I've got some bubbles here.
Yay.
Now bubbles are great at any age. They're really good for eye movement, so they can track and follow and
catch them.
See where the bubbles go. And great for fine motor skills as well. If they're maybe getting their first little tentative steps, they can try to go towards the bubbles and to catch the bubbles as well. I love bubbles. It really helps with their hand-eye coordination, trying to grab at the bubbles as well. And onto the last page. Yep, the last page now.
Wave, hello. Wave, goodbye. We love to play together.
So waving is great for fine motor skills and also body awareness as well.
Like Teddy.
So we've talked a lot about physical development with this one. And this is the book we'll be doing next week as well, when we do our little baby disco. And that's going to be on, it's possibly going to be on Zoom, but maybe, more than likely, it might be in branch. So we hope that we'll figure out how people can join in with us for that one.
And Teddy will be there too.
Yes, he will. And the next book is going to be all about animals. This is Annie Faliad, and this is another bilingual book, and this is the next book we'll be sharing with you. Well, I hope you've all enjoyed today's session. I certainly have.
Me too, Maz.
And we'll see you all soon. Take care.
Bye bye.